Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. How can undocumented immigrants get a green card? Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Undocumented immigrants may have pathways to obtain a green card, but eligibility depends on several factors, including how they entered the United States and whether they meet certain legal criteria. While U.S. citizenship is generally achieved through naturalization, the first essential step for most immigrants is securing a green card, which grants permanent resident status. For those living in the country without legal authorization, the process is often complex and requires careful navigation of U.S. immigration law. Pathways to permanence. Green card eligibility for undocumented immigrants. Undocumented immigrants may qualify for a green card if they fall into one of several categories recognized by U.S. law. Family-sponsored green cards. Immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, such as spouses, parents, and unmarried children under 21, may have a path to permanent residency. Employment-based green cards. Certain job offers, skills, or extraordinary achievements can make someone eligible. Asylum and refugee status. Individuals facing persecution in their home countries may apply for asylum, which can eventually lead to a green card. Humanitarian programs. Programs like temporary protected status allow lawful residence, but generally do not directly create a pathway to a green card. Programs that permit green card eligibility, such as asylum, may overlook past immigration violations, while others often do not. Can undocumented immigrants apply for the U.S. Green Card Lottery? The Diversity Visa or Green Card Lottery provides a legal route to permanent residency for individuals from qualifying countries who meet educational or work requirements. However, undocumented immigrants are typically ineligible if they are already in the U.S. without legal status, because their presence violates immigration law. Key barriers to obtaining a U.S. green card. Several legal obstacles make obtaining a green card challenging for undocumented immigrants, primarily related to violations of immigration laws. Method of entry. Undocumented immigrants are often categorized based on how they entered the U.S. Visa overstays. Entered legally but stayed beyond the authorized period. Overstays may have an easier time obtaining a green card than others. Entry without inspection. Entered without inspection or proper documentation. EWIs face stricter restrictions and longer waiting periods. Unlawful presence. Living in the U.S. without authorization leads to unlawful presence, which triggers periods of ineligibility. More than 180 days, but less than 1 year. 3-year bar. More than 1 year. 10-year bar. Over 1 year and re-entry without inspection. Permanent bar. Waivers may be available in certain circumstances. Criminal history. Criminal convictions can prevent green card eligibility. Crimes include aggravated felonies such as murder or robbery, drug offenses, except minor marijuana possession, crimes involving moral turpitude, sins, which vary by state law, other immigration violations explained. Additional barriers include prior deportations, false claims of U.S. citizenship, and fraud on immigration applications. Paths forward. How some immigrants qualify for a green card despite obstacles. Undocumented immigrants generally cannot adjust status within the U.S. if they have immigration violations. Some may qualify for waivers, often requiring them to leave the U.S. and apply through a U.S. consulate abroad, which may involve years of waiting. Consulting an experienced immigration attorney is essential to determine eligibility and navigate this complicated process successfully. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.